Rats. The very word evokes a mixture of revulsion and fascination, a curious blend of emotions that few other creatures can inspire. Few creatures on Earth share such a complex and often contradictory relationship with humanity, straddling the line between fear and admiration. We find them repulsive, yet we are drawn to their intelligence and resilience, marveling at their ability to solve problems and navigate through intricate mazes. They are creatures of the shadows, thriving in the spaces we create, yet often prefer to remain unseen, lurking in the hidden corners of our world. Their story is interwoven with our own, a testament to their adaptability and our indelible mark on the natural world, reflecting our shared history and mutual impact. From the bustling streets of our cities to the quiet corners of our homes, rats have carved their niche, finding ways to coexist with us in every environment. They are survivors, exploiting our resources and adapting to our every move, demonstrating an uncanny ability to thrive in the most challenging conditions. But their story is not simply one of pestilence and nuisance. It is also one of remarkable contributions to science and medicine. Rats have played a pivotal role in shaping human history, influencing our health, our culture, and even the course of scientific discovery, leaving an indelible mark on our world. The story of rats and humans is one of a long and often uneasy coexistence. For millennia, these resourceful rodents have lived alongside us, capitalizing on the opportunities our settlements provide. Drawn to our food stores and waste, rats transitioned from wild foragers to opportunistic commensals. As agriculture flourished and human settlements grew, so too did rat populations. This proximity, however, came at a cost. Rats, with their rapid breeding cycles and adaptability, quickly became unwelcome guests. Their presence brought not only the nuisance of gnawed goods and contaminated food, but also the very real threat of disease. The rat, once a forager on the fringes of human society, had become an unwelcome resident, its presence a constant reminder of the delicate balance between coexistence and conflict. No event highlights the devastating impact of the rat-human relationship more than the Black Death. This catastrophic pandemic, which swept through Europe and Asia in the 14th century, decimated populations and left an indelible mark on human history. Carried by fleas that thrived on black rats, the bubonic plague spread like wildfire through crowded cities and across trade routes.
The Black Death cemented the rat's image as a harbinger of disease and death. Fear and prejudice towards these creatures intensified, shaping public health policies and cultural attitudes for centuries to come. The association of rats with filth, disease, and decay became deeply ingrained in the human psyche, a legacy that continues to influence our perception of these adaptable creatures.
Despite their negative image, rats have played a crucial role in advancing human knowledge. Their physiological similarities to humans, their adaptability, and their relatively short lifespans make them ideal subjects for scientific research, allowing for extensive and varied studies. From the early days of anatomical studies to cutting-edge genetic research, rats have been instrumental in our understanding of biology, medicine, and psychology, providing invaluable insights.
The use of rats in laboratories has been instrumental in developing vaccines, antibiotics, and other medical breakthroughs, and treatments for a wide range of diseases. Their contribution to medical research is undeniable, making them unlikely heroes in the quest for scientific advancement and the betterment of human health, impacting countless lives.
Section 5, Unsung Heroes, Medical Breakthroughs and Beyond. In this section, we delve into the often overlooked contributions of laboratory rats in the field of medical science.
The development of the polio vaccine, a landmark achievement in medical history, owes a debt of gratitude to laboratory rats. These small creatures were pivotal in the research process. These animals were instrumental in testing the safety and efficacy of the vaccine, paving the way for the eradication of this debilitating disease. Without their involvement, progress would have been significantly slower.
Similarly, rats have played a vital role in research on cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and a host of other conditions that afflict millions worldwide. Their genetic similarities to humans make them ideal subjects for these studies.
Their contribution extends beyond the realm of medicine. In fact, their impact is felt in numerous scientific disciplines. Rats have been used in behavioral studies, helping us understand learning, memory, and social behavior. These studies have provided insights into human psychology and cognitive functions.
Their adaptability and resilience have made them invaluable subjects in studies on stress, addiction, and the effects of environmental toxins. These studies are crucial for developing treatments and preventive measures. In many ways, these often maligned creatures have become silent partners in our quest to unravel the mysteries of life itself. Their contributions continue to drive scientific discovery and innovation. Section 6. Masters of Adaptation, Survival in a Human World.
Rats are masters of adaptation, thriving in environments that would spell doom for less resourceful creatures. They have an uncanny ability to find shelter and food in the most unexpected places. Their ability to exploit even the smallest of spaces, their omnivorous diet, and their incredible sense of smell and taste, and their rapid reproductive rate have allowed them to colonize virtually every corner of the globe. They can produce large litters multiple times a year, ensuring their survival.
From the sweltering heat of tropical rainforests to the frigid conditions of the Arctic, rats have proven their ability to survive and thrive. They can adapt to extreme temperatures and diverse habitats.
Their resilience extends beyond their physical capabilities. They are also known for their problem-solving skills and resourcefulness. Rats are highly intelligent creatures, capable of learning complex tasks and adapting their behavior to changing circumstances. They can navigate mazes, remember routes, and even use tools. They exhibit social intelligence, living in complex communities with established hierarchies and communication systems. They communicate through vocalizations, body language, and scent markings.
This adaptability, while often perceived as a nuisance, is a testament to their evolutionary success and their ability to thrive in a world increasingly shaped by human activity. Their presence in urban areas highlights their remarkable survival skills. Section 7. The rat in culture, folklore, literature and art.
The rat's presence in human society is reflected in our culture, where it has been cast in a variety of roles, often contradictory and complex. In some cultures, rats are revered for their intelligence, cunning, and resourcefulness. The Chinese zodiac, for example, includes the rat as a sign of quick wit and adaptability. In other cultures, rats are viewed with suspicion and fear, often associated with disease, decay, and the underworld.
Literature and art have also grappled with the duality of the rat. From the villainous role of the Rat King in Tchaikovsky's ballet The Nutcracker to the more nuanced portrayal of rats in George Orwell's Animal Farm and Kenneth Grahame's The Wind in the Willows, these creatures continue to captivate our imaginations and challenge our perceptions. Section 8. Beyond Fear and Loathing. A nuanced perspective. It is easy to view rats solely through the lens of fear and disgust. Their association with disease, their tendency to infest our homes, and their often destructive behavior make them easy targets for our apprehension. However, a more nuanced perspective reveals a creature of remarkable resilience, intelligence, and adaptability. Rats are survivors, thriving in a world increasingly dominated by human activity. Their role in scientific research, while often overlooked, has been instrumental in advancing human knowledge and improving human health. Their presence in our culture, though often negative, reflects a complex and multifaceted relationship that has spanned millennia. To truly understand rats, we must move beyond simplistic notions of vermin and appreciate the complexities of their existence. Section 9. The future of coexistence, managing the relationship. As we move further into the 21st century, the relationship between humans and rats remains a complex and often challenging one. Urbanization, climate change, and evolving agricultural practices continue to create opportunities for these adaptable creatures to thrive.
Managing rat populations in a humane and sustainable manner is crucial for protecting public health, preserving biodiversity, and ensuring the well-being of both species. This requires a multifaceted approach that includes responsible waste management, targeted pest control measures, and a greater understanding of rat behavior and ecology. By adopting a more holistic perspective, we can strive for a future where coexistence rather than conflict defines the relationship between humans and these remarkable creatures.
Section 10. Conclusion: Rats, a story of resilience and complexity. The story of rats is ultimately a reflection of our own. Their adaptability, their resilience, and their ability to thrive in the face of adversity are qualities we both admire and fear. They are a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the profound impact humans have on the natural world. As we continue to share our planet with these resourceful creatures, it is imperative that we strive for a relationship based on understanding, respect, and a recognition of the vital role they play in the intricate web of life.